up, y'all? Today I am so excited because I received a package in the mail. Check it out. This package is from Soft Water Soap Company. Soft Water Soap Company. That's how we say water. All right, you guys, this company is based out of Yazoo City, Mississippi. That is my hometown. So I'm so excited. And look, check it out. You can smell. You can smell it through the package. So let's talk about this company. This company is owned by Miss Carlista Moorehead out of Yazoo City. I will put her Instagram. Oh, I can smell. Oh. Girl, I can smell it. Okay. Okay, so I'm taking it out. Now, if you look, it says nutrient infused right there. So her packaging is dope. Okay, so now we have this box here. White box. And it has the name again. Soft Water Soap Company. Yes, Lord. Okay, I'm just pulling this. You know what? I got my scissors. Okay. Oh my God. And you guys, I want to use one of these tonight. Hold on. Before I take anything out. Have a look at it. Take a picture. All right. This one says oatmeal. Oatmeal. I love oatmeal. Okay. This one says tea tree. I'm going to give them a smell in a minute. I just want to let y'all know everything that's in the box first. This is turmeric black seed oil. Okay. And then this one is shea butter goat milk. I love shea butter and everything like that. So, okay, this is raw African black soap. Oh, girl, show out. Raw African black soap. Okay. I took everything out. That's everything. So she sent me 5 bars of soap. And she has the purple confetti paper. Oh, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so that's the box. I'm going back around. I want to smell this oatmeal soap, y'all. Because I'm going to pick one. Oh, my God. It smells so good. It smells, and then it's got the little pieces of oatmeal in there. I want to make sure y'all can see the texture. Whew. It's giving me like you know how almond smell? Like what's it called? Marzipan. It's giving me marzipan vibes. Ooh! Oatmeal. Now, okay, let's talk about how it feels. And this is handmade cold processed soap. So, I'm just, you know, it's got the ridges in it right here. It's like, I don't know, I'd say maybe almost an inch thick. Round. Probably like maybe 2.5 inches wide. This, I'm just trying to give y'all some dimensions. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, so that's the oatmeal. I love soap. Shea butter goat milk. We're going to smell this one next. And this one is shaped square. It's square. Well, no, it's rectangle. Rectangular. Rectangular. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Okay, this is a really light. Oh, it's very soft, this one. Reminds me of like Ivory. You know that Ivory soap? You just get 3 in a pack for $1. Big, thick bars for $1. Ivory. Let's smell the tea tree. And this one's green, guys. It smells like tea tree. You know, the tea tree has that kind of menthol type smell. Okay, tea tree. I wonder what should I use the tea tree for? Does any, I mean, I know it's a shower, obviously, but is there any other use? Like, could I maybe do something like use it for my hair or when I do my pedicures? What's a good use for this one? Leave it in the comments below. All right, that was the tea tree. This one is the turmeric black seed oil. This one is thick. It doesn't have the ridges or anything on it. It's smooth. Oh, this one smells citrusy. It has a citrus type vibe, like orangey. Turmeric black seed oil. I like it. I really do. This is a more sharp, like a sharp citrusy, bright situation. Turmeric black seed oil. So we got a variety of shapes and colors. All right, I'm putting it back in the bag. All right, this is the last one. This is the Raw African Black Soap. I am a fan of black soap. So I hate to tear the cute packaging off of it. Wait a minute. This one has like a paper type, well, plastic film thing on it. I'm just going to open it. I'm going to put it in a soap dish. Okay, so this is, it's raw. So this is the texture of it. It has the ridges in it, but it's thicker and it's rectangular. Look at it. Okay, this one, this is raw black soap. Y'all know how black soap smell? Well, if you don't know, black soap is, it's a clean smell, but it's like, you know, either you like it or you don't. It doesn't have like a lot of fragrance to it. It's, oh, and this one is a little bit more sticky, I guess because of all the raw products in it. Or whatever you want to call it. Y'all, I don't, look, I'm not a soap expert. I'm just showing y'all the products that she provided me with this evening. Oh my God, I love it. So I will definitely, I would use this all over since I like black soap and then it's raw. I would use this black soap on face and body without a problem. Head to toe situation. So thank you so much. Now I'm going to put this one in a soap dish because it came in this. But I wanted to give y'all all of the deets. So I took it out of the packaging. Oh, you can rewrap it too, but it's probably not going to come all the way together. So anyway, the black soap, the tea tree, the turmeric black seed oil, the shea butter goat milk, and the oatmeal. You guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so which one am I going to pick? Drum roll, please. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's so hard to choose, guys. It's so hard to choose. Let me see. I'm going to go with the oatmeal. Because, oh, when I smelled it. Oh, my gosh, I love it. It's just got this something. That's something. I'm going to go with the oatmeal soap just because I love the scent of it. So this is my #1 pick, the oatmeal. So I know when I hit up Soft Water Soap Company that I have to get me some oatmeal soap off top. Off the rib. So be looking out for that video. Because I'm going to have to re-up on this for sure. Okay. So this how I'm going to do. I'm going to go in the order from I love it, love it, love it all the way down. I'm going to rate all the soaps, okay? By smell. And I love them all. Oatmeal is my favorite. And then the shea butter goat milk. So I'm probably going to use this next. And then I'm going to use this one. I don't know. I'm just rating it. And then this is the tea tree. But see, with this one right here, I'll probably just use this anytime. So I won't. This will be in my soap dish. So my key is knocking on the door. Okay. Okay, guys. So, look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm rocking with oatmeal tonight. I'm so excited, you guys, because I'm going to be taking me a very long shower. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really, really, really want to talk about this product. Okay, so you can get these products at Downtown Marketplace in Yazoo City. That's at 231 South Main Street in Yazoo City. I will put that information in the description, you guys. So you'll have everything you need. She prefers to be contacted on Instagram, so for sure, hit her up on Instagram, y'all. Her name is Miss Carlista Moorehead once again. So I'm gonna put these to the side and get my soap dish together for my black soap. And I'm gonna take this one and I'm going to take a shower. I will let you guys know how I like it. Be sure to check my Instagram for that. That's at Sasha Pierce TV. Again, thank you, Miss Carlista, for sending me this wonderful box. You guys hit her up. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see y'all on the next one.